A Yamaha? There you go. It'd be cheaper to fix.
You need me to pull you, or you got it? Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa. I'm about to cut right in there. All that water's right there. I don't know how to get around. Damn, buddy.
Stop right there, I'll grab it.
No need to yell. Colton, he's just getting all sassy right now. Look at that thing. That thing looks mean as hell right there. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Where Can-Am and Honda can work in harmony. Yeah, no problem, buddy. Thank you for doing that stuff that I'm not gonna do. Is Wayne coming right through it? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, Wayne! Shit, buddy! Where are you going? Which way are you gonna?
Winch it out, huh?
Let's winch it out? Okay, we'll winch it out. You wanna loosen it up? Oh, go the other way? There we go. Hold up. Hold up.
It's not this way.
God, dude.
This thing has a tendency to turn the right direction.
There you go. Look at that. Brakes, brakes, brakes. That was very entertaining.
That was an entertaining video. That's the one you've been waiting on.
Shoot, I thought you were going over.
That's the only reason Mark and Joe ever kept me around, because I was always providing for entertainment.
Oh my God.
I don't know why, but maybe it's me, but it seems like the Yamaha wants to do that.
Yeah.
Some crazy stuff like that sometimes.
Too much power, buddy. Just too much power.
There it is.
Oh no!
Maybe that was a bad idea.
Let's get you. No, that's not. Let's get you out of that post haste. Almost. Oh shoot. That's it. You're out. I'll pull you backwards. I thought you were gonna get it too.
I thought so too.
Actually, I'm gonna pull you forward so that way we don't mess up your plastics on that stump right there. I'll just I'll get a couple straps. That way we can get you. They can get you right there.
I think I'm gonna winch.
You gonna winch out?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna winch out.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's free spool right now. This is all right. You can stay here now.
All right. Yeah, I guess that little pine tree. I guess, Carlo.
All right.
Good.
Damn. So do you want to are you gonna get out of this rut, do you think?
I'll back up a little bit.
Okay.
Pinch it again. I'm trying to get over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. What is that?
All right.
Dang! Let's let the winch.
A little bit here.
Let me raise this back up again 1 second. Okay.
All right.
Shoot, that's perfect. That worked out better than I had ever imagined. Too easy. All right, look at the mess you made over here, man. God dang. Just some Honda problems. Just some Honda problems. Don't worry about it, all right? We don't need to talk about it. Good. Good. Don't worry, Wayne, I'm coming. Oh, oh yeah. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Yeah, just pull you real quick. Up. I thought you were gonna get it, buddy.
Thank you, I did too. I was a little surprised.
Am I disconnected? Okay. Where would you like to go?
There's some trails off in the middle. I know we're trying to get that goes back to the beach.
Oh, damn, look at that tire. Look how fat it is. And I mean, we're down with just getting lost, so if you just want to drive somewhere,
Let's get lost. Right?
we'll follow you for a minute. Just take us wherever you think. Whatever feels good.